Do you have to install DOS 6.22 before installing Windows 3.0? I've been tasked with creating a VM with Windows 3.0 and Office 3.0 on it. I have the install disks for Windows and Office but not for DOS. Do I need to have DOS installed first to install Windows 3.1?
Windows up till before Windows 95 is an operating environment. It runs on top of DOS of some flavor. 95 and 98 ran with DOS, but once they were started, they took over a lot of functionality and were much closer to a proper operating system. Unlike Windows 3.x, they were closely coupled to specific versions of DOS, so no one ever thinks about it. You can run Windows 3.x with pretty much any version of DOS, except .DOS. Windows actually checked for and refused to run on it, supposedly even FreeDOS. See the bottom, DOSBox or the msdos startup floppy disk you can create from Windows, I believe. You can presumably also get access to DOS with a TechNet subscription, assuming you need a licensed copy.
Windows 3.0 requires DOS to be installed as its only end-user interface or system extension, depending on point of view. You will not require DOS 6.22, DOS 3.1 is fine, too.
Not necessarily. You could install OS/2 and run Windows 3.0 from its DOS box.
Yes, you do, as Windows 3.1 is an application that runs under DOS.
Haydns original Office 3.1